Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create bookmark with watercolor and black fine liner pen. Before we start, let's prepare the materials first. After preparing all the materials needed, I divided the watercolor paper into 4 sections. I used washi tape to create borders to my bookmarks because after painting, it's easy for me to remove without tearing the edges. Also, masking the edges prevent the paper from buckling. In watercolor painting, the first layer must be the lightest shade. In my first bookmark, I mixed orange and white wash while applying the wet on dry technique for the first layer. I also added rose madder deep watercolor to add dimensions to our painting, and then I suddenly realized that I haven't finished attaching the washi tape. Once again, I mixed the same watercolor for a second layer. You can always add another layer until you are satisfied with the output. I also added orange wash for additional shade. As you have noticed, I was just playing with my paintbrush and watercolor. I don't put pressure on myself in making a masterpiece. Actually, I have this motto: I paint to express, not to impress. In today's situation, I really need something to free up my mind from the stress in the outside world. Haha. I sprinkle white watercolor to achieve a starry sky effect. While waiting for the watercolor paint to dry, let's proceed to the second bookmark with wet on wet technique. I dab a small amount of water and spread it evenly before applying sap green wash. I also added viridian wash for a deeper shade. I was really addicted to the starry sky effect, so I decided to add some stars on my second bookmark. Again, while waiting for our painting to dry, let's proceed to our third bookmark. Let's paint waves and a lot of waves. I am using ultramarine and black wash for my waves and effects. In painting the sky, I used a light wash of rose madder deep. I also added a little bit of lemon yellow wash to achieve a dreamy sunset effect. To continue, I added another layer of ultramarine and black wash on our waves. For our final bookmark, I decided to paint the northern lights or aurora borealis. To paint the night sky, I use ultramarine and black. I added another layer of metallic watercolor to our beautiful sky. While waiting for the watercolor paint to dry, I painted the silhouette of trees on our second bookmark. I also added 3 cute birds to have a perfect sunset view. Going back to our fourth bookmark, I added a dark wash of black for our second layer. I also painted the clouds with black. Just now, I suddenly realized that a night cannot be perfect without the silhouettes of mountains and trees. Getting addicted to the starry sky effect, so there it goes. The magic of stars, wow! Getting more addicted to the starry sky effect, I also added another layer of stars on our first bookmark. When the watercolor painting is totally dry, I started lettering one of my favorite song lyric on the first bookmark. Actually, this song was sang by my K-crush during his fan meet. Sad to say, I'm not able to be there. This song really touches my heart. Oh, by the way, before I started this video, I already made a draft on what the letter so that I won't make a mistake. I used white gel pen to draw some twinkling stars and comets to add beauty to the painting. On the second bookmark, I also wrote my all-time favorite song lyric. Oh, this really reminds me of Falak. On my third bookmark, I just wanted to remind everyone to keep smiling, even though the world doesn't smile back at you. I used metallic gold jelly roll pen to intensify the reflection of our sunset. So romantic! On my fourth bookmark, I wrote these 2 words, 9 letters, and the most romantic words you'll ever hear, if said with utmost sincerity. Finally, the most awaited part of every watercolor artist. Thank you so much for watching po. Before I end this video, I really wanted to hear from you. Please comment down your messages, concerns, clarifications, and suggestions, and kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also, don't forget to like this video. Once again, thank you. God bless. Keep safe, everyone.